Oh. They're still suffering. They're still suffering.
Wait, I'm gonna feel like this for 24 hours?
Welcome guys to another vlog on Autobon leasing. Today's gonna be quite special.
He's
interesting. He's already
amazing.
interesting. Are you excited for today? There's the vlog, another vlog. What's up? Vlog number 3.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Starting up. I like it. Who's gonna win?
Oh, they're making a bet on this?
I'm making a bet on it.
Oh wow!
Oh, you
he
are?
just made it interesting. I like this.
Today is the 1-year anniversary of that little lady right here, Autobon Lewis and
Best thing that ever
Timmy.
happened to you? Is that
1-year anniversary.
Hey, is this your happiest anniversary you've ever been a part of?
Extremely ecstatic.
Really?
What are you thinking of eating?
I'm thinking of eating something keto.
This is for Omar. He doesn't know. Hey, Brandon, you too.
This is like The Office. I love it. Kind of need this.
Yo, what you guys doing?
Happy birthday to you.
I was trying to see how I was gonna word everything properly. Damn, 36. Oh, I thought it was no.
You're excited to see them suffer in here. Any last words?
The toe of Satan.
Hey, you're looking nice. You won't be looking that nice after this. This is what is happening today.
Hey, so what's the bet?
We got the,
$100.
well, we got the team in here. What's up? Any word? Good luck over there.
This is gonna be epic. I can't wait.
Can't wait.
It's on the credit app. It's on the credit app.
It's on the credit.
It's working. He's a worker. Hard worker.
I just want to say thank you to everybody who bought a car with Autobahn Leasing in the month of July. It is because of you, our audience, that we primarily do this.
We have to try to hold it for 5 minutes.
I'm sorry. We are going to just say, first of all, thank you to everybody that's watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Right? That's what we say. This is just pure fun content. Cotton.
And did you say about the 9 million?
No,
Scoville. 9 million Scoville.
9 million Scoville.
Yeah, this is gonna be so bad.
Guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. I hope this shit goes viral so at least I become a millionaire. Bro, my tongue is already on fire from the coffee.
Hey, if you touch them, do not touch your face or your eyes.
Yeah.
Okay? Do not.
I feel like
Oh, there's
tell me
people-
that
there's
throughout this
people-
whole
Yeah, I'm
time.
just saying, do not.
Don't touch your face. There was people using gloves whenever eating this.
Hurry up before the fucking...
The guy.
No.
What's
yeah,
scarier?
let me
Say in store or your customer?
no.
It smells so bad.
No.
It smells so bad.
Smell it. You can't die from it. Ready? 1.
You gotta hold it, suck on it.
Just hold it. Oh wow, look at it. Omar having a moment. Oh, he's praying over there. Look at it.
Can you guys suck on the lollipop?
He just keeping it in one side. He just giving it. Bro, that's gonna become. Whoa, let's go, Lewis.
Lewis is in the
That's a
zone.
bad idea, huh? Oh, he is in the zone. No, sir. Standing.
Lewis
He's
is
starting to
drooling.
sweat. Lewis is drooling.
Omar's biting it.
Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes. Oh my God.
Omar's cheating.
Lewis isn't looking at.
Oh, you guys are good.
Oh my God, Omar's crying.
Is that blood?
No. Oh no.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
What do we got? What do we got? Right now it's probably like 2 minutes.
We're gonna eat the whole thing.
Lewis, look up.
Lewis!
Oh my God, Omar's just all over the place.
234 right now. But Lewis, you gotta like taste it. You gotta taste it, bro.
Louis, that's cheating.
Taste it.
You do it.
Oh, his eyes are blinking. He's cheering. Mom wanna raise no.
Yeah, I think Omar got it. Look at Louis.
Got this, Lewis. Come on, Lewis.
Oh my God.
Oh.
I can smell it. Come on.
Wow, you guys would
Yeah,
be like
but
the
who's the
ones.
first gonna give up? Who's giving up first?
I should have read it.
Yeah, and right now, 40, almost.
15 seconds.
15 seconds, we can do this.
With the big mouth.
It's 5 minutes.
Omar, you ready?
Oh my God.
So far, they've done it more than 5 minutes. They have not taken it out. It's in another galaxy right now. Wow, you guys are doing fantastic.
Omar's almost out. It's falling out.
Yo, my eyes are.
Oh, he's leaving. Seems to be a disaster over here. Fighting for the. Oh, we have fantastic content. Like and subscribe. Anything for our fans? Like and subscribe. No liking and subscribing. No, not liking and subscribing. Oh my God! This is nothing real.
Let me get the eyes.
They switching too. There's too much going on. I don't understand who to follow. Like, damn. Is he getting? What is he getting? Is that? Oh wow, he's going all over the place. Is everything okay?
Oh, it's so bad.
I bet. Like nothing works, huh? Nothing just melts.
No.
Where is he? We're going everywhere, making sure everybody's good. Yo, so how does Autobon leasing work? Yeah, he's in another world.
I don't understand why there's still boogers coming out of my nose.
Yeah.
They'll stop within 24 hours. Don't worry about it.
Wait, I'm gonna feel like this for 24 hours?
I eat a jalapeno and I think it's hot.
Yeah.
Really?
I ain't touching any of that stuff.
No, me
I
too.
like spicy.
Oh wow, you look like you got fired or something. It's a, oh. Like and subscribe. That was an interesting day. We were planning this for a really long time and it didn't work until it finally worked. So I hope you guys enjoyed. You guys already know if you guys need any car, any make, any model, we'll make sure to find the best deal and we'll deliver it to your house, to your job, or anywhere. Like and subscribe, and we hope you guys watch the next one.